The big thing that inspired us to create Mattur was to solve this supply and demand imbalance with electricity in the US. We need way more electricity than we can possibly supply. Right now, the regulatory system in the US doesn't align well with the US needing lots of electricity fast. If the proxy for economic growth is electricity, we're behind. And so we're excited about solving that problem. We've got a system that doesn't necessarily require the grid. We've spent the last few years really focused on R&D. We've done that effectively with our hybrid diesel system and our proprietary wind turbine. So we got that proof point. Unlike every other wind turbine out there, it's small and modular. Our technology can convert much lower wind speeds to electricity than a traditional wind turbine. Having a smaller footprint means we can put it closer to the point of use. That drops the cost.
The overall idea is that we speed up the wind by about a 2x, and we use our generator technology to constantly scavenge for the peaks, for the gusts, and create as much energy as we possibly can.
By combining wind with solar, you get more electricity per acre. What does that do? It drops the cost per kilowatt. The big issue that everybody knows with wind and solar is that it's intermittent. What happens when the sun isn't shining? What happens when the wind isn't blowing? Well, we've got a hydrogen storage solution.
Hydrogen is really important when you look at energy. You're going up against batteries, and it's really a replacement for that. Hydrogen can be stored indefinitely if stored correctly. Hydrogen can be transported. Hydrogen is very dense.
We, Mattur, can uniquely create hydrogen for a lot less money than our competitors. So as we try to dominate the world with AI, as we implement EVs, robotics, it couldn't be a better time to be an energy business. Our mission is critically important to us, of powering energy independence. But what's also really important to us is to build a really, really big, successful company. We want a group of investors, a group of new team members to come in that are willing to step on the ride and play for the long term.